Hey guys, welcome back to my DIY Home with Liz. Today I'm doing a totally different video. I went to Michael's and I finally found some of the $4 grab bags that they have on clearance. If you guys aren't familiar with these, usually a month or so after a holiday, they'll take all of the holiday clearance stuff and put it in bags or boxes, and then they sell them all for $4. So I found 5 bags and I grabbed them all, so I spent $20. And I think a lot of it's baskets. I haven't checked anything yet. I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So let's see what I found. So all of them are in like bags like this. So the only one that I did see was this first bag. This first bag was open, and I actually got it because I saw this really cute little basket. I thought it would be perfect for my girls. It's just white and it's got like pink and shimmery on it. And this was originally $20. That basket also had these in there, and it's like a green one and a little pink one. And these are pretty cute. And then there's 2 of the green ones. Those are okay. Ooh, these are kind of cute. These are like pink and green baskets. Those are really cute. And there's 2 of them. So that was one of the bags for $4. Let's hope I get something besides baskets. Okay, so now I'm going to open this one. I see something that looks kind of mossy in here, so we'll see. Oh, okay. Oh, this is cute, you guys. Look. Oh, that's cute. I don't know about the little bunny on the front, but it's like a moss basket, and then there's the inside. Normally, it's a $30 basket, which, you know, all their stuff goes 50% off. Okay, that same one, oh my goodness. What is that? I don't know what that is. It's like a little pig. What do you think this animal is, you guys? What is that? I don't even know. Tell me in the comments what you think that animal is. Well, that was randomly in there. And then they also have this cute little carrot basket. I like that. And that one was $32. Okay, different, not baskets. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at these baskets. These are so cute. Okay, I was not expecting good stuff to be in these. Honestly, I was thinking I would get silly stuff. This is cute. So it's like a burlap bow. That's really cute. Okay, what is this? Wilton icing decorations. I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to use those, but we'll see. Oh, these are cute. It's like a little craft for kids. Little erasers for kids. These would be good for like Easter baskets. What's this? Scratch kit. I'll give that to my kids to do. And then there was some green Easter grass. And then these baskets, you guys, oh my goodness, I'm getting moss all over me. So there was that one basket. Okay, let me see if I can get these out and show you. Okay, look at how cute these are. I love these. I think those are perfect. So, and you know, these are not Easter. I could do something with these now. Okay, so that was bag number 2. That was a really good one. Okay, bag number 3. Okay, these baskets look similar. So, another one of these pink ones. And then another one of these pink and green ones. And then, oh my goodness. Okay, so there's this basket. That one was new. And then a ton of these. which I don't know about those. And then 2 little Happy Easter wall clings. That one was okay. I could have lived without that one, but it's okay. I really like that moss one. Okay, this is bag number 4. So we'll see what's in here. This is kind of fun to do. Okay. All right, this one has egg dyeing kits, so that's fun. An egg emoji, like color cups. I can always use those. What are these? Oh, that's cute. It's like a little bunny. She's kind of cute. And then, oh, it's the other bunny. How much are these? These are 20. These would actually be kind of cute sitting out together. Really cute. I think my mom would like these. I'm gonna give them to my mom. Okay. And another one of those bows. I can definitely use that. What's this? Oh, fun. It's like a little sticker album. This one's like a little sticker album, perfect for kids. And this is just another little basket. Okay, more of these Wilton little icing cup things. Some of the like grass, I can always use that. And then this is a cute basket. You guys, look at this. This I can use year round. That's a cute little wooden basket. And that one was marked at 20. Okay. This one had another little scratch pad for kids. More color cups. Oh, what's this? But let's see what this says on it. Just says animal decor. There was like this little lamb. I'm calling it a lamb. It'll go with my set. And then more Easter grass, some erasers, and this little kit for kids. Okay. I would say that bag was pretty good. Okay, so this is my last bag, bag number 5. Let's hope I got some different stuff. Oh my goodness, you guys. There's some more of these little moss baskets. Oh, I love the, look at that one. It's a moss basket with little carrots on it. Okay, I love these. These are so cute. How much are, that one's 30. Another one of those little egg kits for kids. Ooh, this is different. What's this? Treat bags. They're little bunny treat bags. And then some more little erasers. That's cute. Okay, and then there's some more stuff in this one, you guys. All right, let's see. This is another little sticker kit, which is good. So my girls can each have one. Another scratch pad. This is another one of those little fabric bows. A scratch pad. Oh, this is new. It's like a little paint bucket with a bunny on it. Oh, there's some more of these Wilton icing things. Oh, look. Oh, what are these? What are these? Oh my goodness, you guys. I think the girls are gonna like these. These are called Stretchy Carrots. So they kind of remind me of squishies that the kids like to play with. So those will be fun. And then it also comes with another one of these moss baskets. I already have one like this. Okay, so that is a look at what I found. I think for $20, it was worth it. I mean, there's definitely some stuff that, you know, I won't be able to use. I think my favorite is probably this little moss basket with the carrots. And I also really like these little chicken wire baskets because I can use those. And, you know, there's a lot of stuff that I can use for my kids for next year. I just gotta remember where I put it. Let me know if you've gone to Michael's, if you found any of these clearance gift bags yourself. I'd love to know. And let me know what I got today was your favorite item. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post DIYs and Dollar Tree hauls 3 to 4 times a week. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!